Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Ewiase won se uyobia ye ka se akokudro ni nyina ekraw ye ka akokudro eyewo a ene ntre se bibia ena wo se wokokoye wo hwe wabeti ana wedi eduro ana de nkra na enye bibia na wo se wo de ho ekokoshem anse na beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell no and no another screen so sisi we ya the latest news be about once ebekentie for asem ne yeka asem ayate ene se ena me ne oka say okọ Asanteman the Ashanti region okọ ho a ekuro bi so aye frɛ no eye Edum Afrancho now Nana Hima woye ohima woye Queen Mother ewo eye saa kuro ne so na wedi 135 years. Yes, Queen Mother wedi 135 years. Wono no na hindie no ana oya Queen Mother no free ne nkolabrim because we did 5 years and our better na Queen Mother and I would yenya and there me no ka say abrewa we did 195 years but ye can Queen Mother ahenie ne so a watena so for 130 years. So imagine yen him say Asante Amamre mu nso no Queen Mother na wo si hene wono nso na wo tu hene oba Asanteman na Asante Amamre. Queen Mother is the only person who can install and destool a chief. Imagine ahenia ana ahemfo afa Queen Mother insem asembe na esi yebehwa na se etiefo ende our opeso celebrate 130th anniversary of being a Queen Mother and then no celebrate na wama ye digwan abase ye betwa dwan aye nyama wo nyankoma de ne nyama obe so de beda nyame ase awada jese de beda aboso ana whatever aye asanso ye pediane by jese something small for people around but I say sort of an anniversary a party level be because onakasa wenyi ye be ha ne se emmema kentin kan awo mo abeti macho men aboera eye Queen Mother ne fie ho asanso aboera ne bedroom akobu Queen Mother yi chese mo attack na enye easy emema no omo akobu Queen Mother no they assaulted her na enyo no pe efie ho wo mo a wo muti fie ho no so ye bu nkrofo chese they assaulted people, residents of that particular house. Nansenfu a chese ewo ho ane se wo mo ye sansenfu we ni omo bu Queen Mother ne bu nkrofo ne omo atifi ho wiye no. Ediane a Queen Mother na ye na adwen se wo de be celebrate ni anniversary no. Nkrofo yi edi eduane no wo ho a. Macho men no ebu Queen Mother ne wiye no. Esanso di eduane ni na ofie ho. Omu wiye odwan Queen Mother na aye se na ko wo ba betwa no wo mo asane dwan no e ma wo mu di dwan ne ko na meka no wo akukudro se de nkra na he enyama bi wo ho a eye no me na wo de ba wo so hwe abrewa watena wiase edi 135 eye o se ye ono ankasa ne pe abrewa watena wiase enyi sa eye o se there is not an external force bia ebo ne ho ban eya se nyame ni eni ne ho na wo koye ne yakayaka de we because we die duro ana because ho odin ana because wabeti susu intino obi abre wa sei ukobo no akofa ne dua ne edi abo ne nkrofo to de bia inyama bi tutu nkrofo bia wotine chi ana wonti ase if only you knew what those people did to some people, some helpless people kobe hu ne say nipa we ade eto no yi entia na eto no abrewa 135 Walk here, you say, we'll be fighting back. She can't, she won't. Now, some way, see, you'll be back and say, wait, dear German microphone, I bought mopa, a DNA see. Yes. But yes, I naturally say yes. Who be asked that question? I naturally say, we are very observant. Now, assembly see, you know, unit committee chairman, our area, ho, Nidin, Ed Nana Safo Eje Kantanka. Ono no ba bontinde nsem ne kra betuja. Na de okan ekra ne se ye de enkrofo no ene abrewa no akọ hospital a enda ye kase wo mu da hospital a ye hwe wo mu se bibia bekodin ana bibi boni bia mba owie no sanso ye press conference no ye press conference no ena wokan e se muntie o wo se ohenne na wo ho no na wo bo pa se nkrofo no me ya abrewa ne saa. That is what the unit committee chairman is saying. Nesan say asanteman ewo wura nti was sre otumfo say tutu say eni kwan say wo ma ade wei ema enimguase be omo so because in mema kentin kan etumi enya kokudro de omo nsa akwa akoka ohema a wonyi say a. Imagine what they would do to someone who is younger. You just imagine. Abrewa wedi 135 ne wanya omobo. Akwa buna afa ne dia na edi. So imagine obia ebia no ye young. Ebia 40 years. Nka wonpo de o ye nchene kra nka wa yirem. It's unit committee chairman was say eye wohene no but one bosso the entia wonu feel say ohene no e na abosa apa no. I don't know whether there is something going on between ohema no ne ohene na. I don't know. But see ohene ne na yes see the people in that area are living in fear. Because macho men no mobile and the cranny omuhu into omo area ho ehu de esi yese na himakra ne yaye ne se ende ye normal people ne into omo suro so mbetena area ho kra inti omo to nsafre otumfo se de omo sanso to nsafre president Akufo-Addo so omo sre no won fa ne ho embre mu because kromafo na sisi ade omo abohu omo suro mi read nsema papa you di tuja was say what I can say is that President Akufo-Addo, we are pleading with you to come and help us. We are also pleading with Otumfo. This is his father's town. He should come to our aid. I can't sleep at home because this guy rolls with macho men. He can come at any time. Osi want to mean that waba bonti ababe bo hini ni din kra no. Ade want to mean that because ohene no wane amacho fo na nam udi agra. Anytime obepie ti waba abontin dey asem na kra abetu dwan kra no osuro si e hoye otumfo ne papa e hona otumfo papa free na yesre Ghana police yesre mo if for nothing at all kra for the fact say maame no we di 135 na sebe o de ye na kambese media atemba mi ndia atem ne biom ma mi ne di 135 na sebe kwabna ne be mema kentinka etumi di adie bi sei esi omuni so e de akoye maame no. It's just a matter of time. It is just a matter of time. Who knows what they will do next? If they weren't afraid of the highest authority on the land, who is the Queen Mother? If they weren't afraid of the Queen Mother, at that particular time, I don't know your highest authority on the land. Now you're quiet, just imagine what will be done to a common floor member. I say we put there. Now can buy an police was say assembly assume your investigation. ke wo se police for share say so mo ye investigation kra ansa na Melody se bia mensa ka news no ntwe mo adwen